this is the 2018 Ford Escape. I am going to show you how to open the gas cap. Well, actually, there's a surprise with the gas cap. I'm going to show you. All right. So first we're going to do is we're going to locate it. So I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I am going to get out and I'm going to walk around. All right. And getting out of the driver's side part of the vehicle, I'm just going to walk around. And I am on the passenger side at the rear. And you see this right here? This is where the gas is pumped in at. All right. First, you have to open up the door. Okay. So make sure your car's turned off before you do this, and make sure you read the owner's manual and follow the owner's manual. All right. And see this right here? This is easy fuel. Okay. Read your owner's manual before you start pumping gas. But essentially, the easy fuel is not even a cap. All it is you press once you have the gas nozzle. You're going to press it through. Read the instructions for the precise, exact instructions on how to pump gas. Don't do this before reading your owner's manual and following the directions to the T. All right. So this is how you pump gas inside of the Ford Escape 2018, this particular model. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.